Hey my friends, Rhonda K here. I trust that you're having an excellent day. Been off the grid for a minute. Anyway, I want to continue to encourage those of you as I find better ways to reach people who work full-time. You're working full-time and you like what you're doing, actually. You like serving the kids. You like serving the adults. You like giving back. Your job provides great intrinsic value for you. You like it. There's no question about that. I know there is a what would you call there's a narrative out there that to fire your boss. There's a narrative out there to niche the 9 to 5, but you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. You do whatever you want to do. What you are needing is additional income. Okay? Additional income. I'm going to go back outside here. You want additional income, and the part-time life, I'm right there with you. We used to could go and get a part-time job, $20 an hour. Our area of expertise was appreciated in the marketplace. But since 2020, from my own, from my own analysis, the income, the hourly pay, it has recalibrated. It's went down. So your skill set is not as appreciated monetary wise, hourly salary, as it used to be. So now you're in the pool with more people. You used to be differentiated, but now you're in the pool with more people, the $12 to $17 an hour. And by any means, there's nothing wrong with that. But you have been in your job for a while, you've built up a skill set, and I am introducing to you a new way for you to add on to what you're already doing. So it's not overwhelming because you're already wearing many hats in your job. It's not overwhelming because you have mastered this, your schedule. So you know how to handle it, right? You know how to handle your schedule. So here's a way for you to learn a new skill set. And while you're learning that new skill set, you'll be paid for it. And it's a bit different from your job unless you're in sales. Okay? So it's different in your job because you are rewarded based off of however you want to be rewarded. So if you want to earn $100 per sale, you can do that. If you want to earn $1,000 per sale, you can do that. But before you do that, there are some skills that you need to learn. And so while you're learning these skills, you can introduce this course, you can introduce this multiple stream system that I've been telling you about, multiple streams of income system. You can introduce these things to other people who are in the same boat as you. Okay? So click the link in the video description, take the tour. Okay? And I just want to continue to encourage you. There is I won't say a better way. I want to say there is another way for you to generate income. You don't have to be on your grind. You don't have to be staying up all night trying to figure out how you're going to pay your bills. You don't have to feel like you're behind the 8 ball because you're in your 50s and you're just now getting a life insurance policy. You're just now putting in money into a retirement. There's a lot of money to be made over here. And I wonder, I don't know your age, unless you want to tell it to me, but if you've ever read the book, Who Moved My Cheese? Go and read that book because the cheese has moved. So you got to put on your backpack, you got to put on a new thinking hat, and you got to go and find that cheese. And the cheese has moved here. All right? All right. So take a free tour. I look forward to hearing from you. Many blessings.